Dear friends, good morning to all. I, Dr. Meena Prakash Kute, Principal of PVDT College of Education for Women, which is conducted College of SNDT Women's University, heartily welcome you all into this MOOC. It's my great pleasure to hand over this self-learning e-handbook entitled The Perspective of School Leadership. I thank Honorable Vice Chancellor of SNDT Women's University, Professor Shashikala Vanjari, the Pro Vice Chancellor, Professor Vishnu Magre, and the Registrar, Dr. Deepak Deshpande, for their constant support and motivation for quality education. Friends, from last 60 years, our PVDT College of Education has been actively involved in developing teachers with highly professional capacities and skills. We are always prepared to upgrade and lead educational changes for equitable quality education. Since RTE is introduced, school education in India has massively expanded at an extraordinary space. Making access to primary education is now universal. Increase in the number of secondary schools has also been large and is speedily moving towards universal provision in several parts of the country. Apart from this, government schools, private schools and coaching centers are also rapidly increased. While this quantitative expansion has made a significant impact on the participation level of children, concerns on the quality front have remained. Schools and leaders with a vision for improving the school learning environment within a well-functioning in-school management, school managers, principals, headmasters can positively contribute to school effectiveness when they are prepared and able to use extensive leadership knowledge to solve complex school level problems, to collaborate with community resources, and to build trust through working relationships with school staff, parents, students, and the community to transform every school into a productive learning organization. This indeed is the goal of this massive online open course, that is MOOC, on development of school leadership capacities and management skills. In this course, undoubtedly, the head teacher of the school occupies a place of central importance. Course material of module first, presented in the self-learning e-handbook, articulates about the perspective of school leadership. Its focus is to develop comprehensive understanding about own self as school leader. The self-learning handbook has been developed collaboratively. The self-learning e-handbook has ensured that the theoretical and conceptual knowledge not only address the leaders but also share the learning experiences designed through the scenarios, reflective spots, small quizzes, cases, suggested activities which make this handbook more engaged with interest. Friends, as the world has become techno-savvy, enthusiastic, innovative, visionary, good collaborator, open-minded democratic leadership is the key of effective schools, and that's why our school needs leaders with a vision for improving the school learning environment within a well-functioning in-school management. School managers, principals, headmasters can positively contribute to school effectiveness when they are prepared and able to use extensive leadership knowledge to solve complex school level problems, to collaborate with community resources, and to build trust through working relationship with school staff, parents, students, and the community. And that's why this universalization of education is as rapidly growing. We have to maintain the quality of education at all levels, and that's why we are trying through this e-content development of MOOC course. I am, as a director of this program, congratulate course design team for bringing out this self-learning e-handbook and hope that will facilitate learning of practicing or becoming the excellent school leader to play their role in school effectively. Heads as well as all others who occupy a pivotal role in the transforming of school or any other learning organization will find it definitely useful. Friends, I am sincerely grateful to the UNESCO Unihoc Bonn, Germany for their financial support in making this course and its publication possible, because I am sincerely gratitude for them for supporting to develop e-content, and that is United Nations Educational, Scientific and Cultural Organization International Center for Technical and Vocational Education and Training, which is called UNESCO Unihoc Bonn, Germany. I also specially thankful to the Department of Education and SNDT Women's University. Because of their support and collaboration, we are able to develop this e-content model. My special appreciations extends to the course coordinator Dr. Mahesh Koltame, who has taken tremendous efforts for bringing this dream into fact. I thank to my reviewers and all authors for their contribution to the developing of self-learning e-handbook. Thank you very much and wish you all the best to fulfill this course in a very enjoyable manner, and you will definitely enjoy this course.